If you want the easiest, simplest, and most reliable way to download and install the Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11, the best method is through the Microsoft Store. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the official app, install it safely, and why this method is more reliable than downloading from random websites. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store, then opening the app from the search results. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Epic Games Store. Now, even though people often say Epic Games Launcher, the official listing may appear as Epic Games Store, so make sure you choose the genuine result from Epic's Games. Look for the official publisher name and the correct branding before you continue. When you find it, click on the app listing to open the details page. From there, click Install or Get, depending on what your Microsoft Store shows. Windows will begin downloading the launcher automatically and installing it for you. One of the biggest advantages of using the Microsoft Store is that Windows already handles certain permissions and setup steps in the background, which makes the process smoother and more reliable. That means you usually avoid some of the manual permission prompts or install issues you might run into with a direct download. Once the download finishes, wait for the installation to complete. After that, you can click Open to launch Epic Games for the first time. If prompted, sign in with your Epic Games account or create one if you don't already have it. And that's it. You now have the Epic Games Launcher installed on Windows 11 using the safest and easiest method. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.